In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do calculations on a Microsoft Access report. We'll start inside Microsoft Access with your database open. Head to the Create tab so you can build a new report from scratch and choose Report Design. You'll see a blank design surface with sections like Report Header, Detail, and Report Footer. The footer is important because it's where you typically place totals for the entire report. If you're summarizing by category or another field, make sure you're working in the corresponding group footer so the calculation applies to that group only. From the Report Design tab, select the text box tool. A text box is the control that displays data or the result of a calculation. Click once in the report footer or in the correct group footer to place it. Access will add a text box and a label. Position and resize it so it aligns neatly with your other fields, and rename the label to something clear, like total amount, so the result is immediately understandable. Click inside the new text box to define the calculation. In Access, calculations are written as expressions in the text box's control source. For example, to total a numeric field named amount, type equals sum amount. To compute an average, use XAVG amount. To count records, use ETCount. If there might be blanks, wrap the field with NZs to avoid errors, like equals sum NZ amount CL. Make sure the field name inside the brackets exactly matches your table or query. Otherwise, Access won't know what to aggregate. Remember, a calculation in the report footer summarizes the entire dataset shown in the report, while one placed in a group footer summarizes just that group. Next, open the property sheet for the text box by pressing F4 if it's not already visible. In the Data tab, confirm your expression appears in Control Source and give the control a meaningful name so it's easy to reference later. If you prefer assistance building the Expression Builder can help you insert fields and functions without typos. Now go to the Format tab to make the result display correctly. Choose a format that matches your data, such as currency for money, standard for numbers with thousand separators, percent for percentage results, or a custom format if you need a specific pattern. Set decimal places to control rounding and improve readability. Consistent formatting across your report makes it look professional and prevents confusion. And that's all you need. By placing a text box in the appropriate footer, entering the right expression, and setting a clear format, you can add totals, averages, counts, and more to your Access reports with confidence.